Radio PCT Ludhiana, rocking the waves.
Hello everyone, you are listening to Radio PCT Ludhiana. This is Priyanka with you. I'm going to update you all with the campus news of this week. Let's listen to the headlines first. PCT Photography Club organized a grayscale photography competition. Literary Club is organizing Spell Bee competition. The students of Journalism Department went for industrial visit to Dainik Bhaskar Printing Press. First year students of Pharmacy Department visited to Punjab Institute of Medical Science Jalandhar. Second year students of Pharmacy Department went to Concerned Pharmaceuticals as their industrial visit. PCT Events on Air Club is organizing a Christmas party on 10th December. Journalism Department performed a Nukkar Natak in the campus on social issues. Auction for All-Star Cricket Tournament took place where teams were formed. Let's hear about the photography competition named Campus in Grayscale.
We should not see the world in black and white, but there's always some grey area. So there was this event at the college known as Campus in Grayscale. So let's ask students about it. So how is it different in capturing the campus in grayscale as in compared to colored?
So you see, when we capture the campus in grayscale, we are not looking for the colors, but we are actually looking for contrast. And when the contrast comes into play, we actually have to take the help of the sunlight a lot. For that, sometimes you have to lay down on the floor. And it was quite fun also. And the main problem was when I was taking the pictures, laying down on the floor or slanting on a roof, the problem was people were looking me weirdly. But it was quite fun. Capturing in grayscale and colored, the main difference just comes to you are not seeing the colors, you're only seeing the beauty of the thing without the colors. Thank you.
Now let's move on to Literary Club's event Spell Bee taking place soon.
PCT Literary Club is organizing a Spell Bee competition on 9th of December, and we are here with Ms. Anandini, one of the executive members and organizer of the competition. Let's know about the event from her.
So we want maximum participation for Spell Bee from all the students. The preparations are going really well till now. It's going to be a very tough competition. For participation, you must be very well versed with words, their spellings and their pronunciation.
Let's get to know about the industrial visit of Journalism Department from our correspondent.
Journalism Department of PCT Group of Institute visited Dainik Bhaskar Printing Press. Let's know about their experience.
I think my experience in the printing press was a good one. It was a learning experience. We got to know how things printed, what kind of machines, what kind of softwares, the way they used to print, the amount of copies they used to make in an hour, and all that stuff. It was quite an enlightening experience.
Moving ahead with the news from Pharmacy Department, our correspondent visited the department for the details.
Industrial visit to Concerned Pharmaceutical had been organized by PCT for pharmacy students, which went really well. Let's talk to students about their experience. What were your learning outcomes from the visit?
We had seen the production there of the medicines. Like firstly we have seen the granulation process and then the compression process of tablets, different shapes, how they are formed by the different machines like rotatory mill is used there, and many of the instruments which we have studied, that rotatory mill, ball mill, we had seen there and the workings are seen.
Students of Pharmacy Department had visited Punjab Institute of Medical Science Jalandhar as an industrial trip to gain knowledge and to explore it practically. Let's hear from one of them about their experience.
We have visited the PIMS Jalandhar Hospital. There we seen physiology lab, pharmacology lab, anatomical lab, and the teachers were very supportive. They tell us about each and every details about the hospital. We learned many more things which will be further help for our B Pharmacy course.
Let's come to know what's the entertainment news from the campus. Our correspondent explored this.
Pits and Sparkle party is going to be organized in the college on 10 December, and we have a student who is going to be a part of the party. Let's know about their excitement.
We are very excited for the Christmas party because this time DJ Ojo is coming from Delhi.
Yes, there will be a lot of fun because she is very popular DJ. So definitely we are super excited. We have heard a lot about her.
We are waiting for the party now.
Let's know about the Nukkar Natak, which was organized in the college by Journalism Department.
We have one of the spectators of Nukkar Natak. Let's find out what does she learn from the Nukkar Natak today.
Yeah, it was an amazing act, and it actually depicted the reality of majority of the households in India. And the act was done so well that it actually, I was thinking that okay, it's some reality show that is going on, it's something real that is going on. And yeah, it's important that we youngsters should need to prioritize many things in their life, like for example their parents, themselves, rather than spending or wasting hours on their phones or talking to the people who doesn't matter or in each and everything.
Let's get the news from the sports desk now regarding the cricket auction took place yesterday.
We have Shubham sir with us, who is assistant professor and head of cricket club. Let's know about the cricket tournament from him.
Sir, what are your expectations from this All-Star event and how is the preparation going on?
I have seen a lot of players here today. Almost 150 nomination was there.
Okay.
So I think this event is going to be one of the best event of this PCTE.
Yeah.
And players are very boosted for this event. They want to contribute in their field.
Sportsmen.
Yes, this is the kind of cricket event, so they want to participate in. And the one thing is the auction was in such a way that players were selected from very different domains, and they were trying to be in a team, and they were trying to win this cup. I'm going to wish them luck.
This was all about this week. Stay tuned for more updates about the campus.
Radio PCT Ludhiana, rocking the waves.